Okay, so I'm gonna give you a quick tour of our humble abode where we're staying, our guest house for tonight. We're probably gonna end up spending another day here, a mental rest day. Today was mentally and physically challenging. I want to say this before I start the tour. If for some reason you're doing your research and you're going to YouTube and or Google and you're searching the difficulty of this particular trek, you will find that a lot of the results will either say easy or moderate. Don't believe it. Don't believe the hype. You will plan for an easy trek or a moderate trek. That's not the case. Don't get it twisted. It is difficult. It is hard. Man, listen here. But without further ado, I'm going to show you around. 500 rupees per night. And we are paying for Wi-Fi because we're so far up. It's 300 rupees. All right, here we go. All right. We're on the second floor. There are 2 levels. I think there's another guest house over there. But stairs. Enter. That's pretty cool. Enter through here. There's our room. Have you turned the light on for me, love? It's like really... Okay, that really doesn't help, but... No. There we go. Our bag. There's one bed. We're probably gonna snuggle tonight.
Oh, tonight you must be.
What day?
Tonight I'll snuggle you tonight.
Okay. We're happy that it's wood built because that means even though we're so high up, it's not gonna be super cold. Even though we always use our sleeping bag. So, got a coat rack, 2 windows. This window actually looks out to onto the mountains. It's a back light, of course, and somewhere to charge your electronics. Got a blanket, pretty nice. She's unpacking, and let me show you the bathroom. So that's another room over here. All right, let me show you the bathroom. Oh, hold on. Oh, there it is. Turn that light on. That helped. Here's the bathroom. Trash can. Turn the light on. This is just the toilet. Hold on. That was hard. This is just the toilet, but it's Western. It does flush. I just got done using it. So, they do have a bucket, but see, it flushes in the little window. Oh, here's a garden. Look at that. All right, probably shouldn't have done that. All right, back out. Western toilet. Turn the light off. And now, lock the... All right, let's go back out. Turn this light off. Let's head downstairs. Check out the chow hall, the courtyard. All right, so yeah, go downstairs really quickly. All right, so here's the courtyard. That's the dining hall. I'm gonna do laundry in just a sec. My clothes needs a rinse. Yeah, that's the bottom level. We are right there. So we got a corner unit. And that's another building. But check it out. Just what I like. We're gonna have a lemon tea right here, but it's not the best view right now, but it's a great view, really nice view of the village. Alright, let's go. Oh, they have a lot of a gift shop here. Souvenir. Okay, and I told you about the Wi-Fi. Yeah, unlimited. Now let's go check out the shower hall. I actually walked through here. So, where's the shower? Oh, then the shower's up here. Let's go and find out. Maybe it's over here. I'm not sure. Again, 500 rupees. Yeah, here's the shower. There's a washer. That's pretty cool. I mean, I have to wash my clothes. So definitely gonna wear sandals, but that's the shower. Pretty big. I have to take a shower. I'm a stinky kid right now. So I'm trekking for like 6-7 hours. Here's a chow hall. It's a little guy. Hi.
Really tiny.
From my YouTube channel. See, great view. Look at all the seats. All the seating. Oh yeah. And it's really important. There's a fireplace.
Making fire.
Yeah, it keeps us warm at night.
Yeah.
Right?
During winter time.
Yeah. Clock. Goodies. The goodies. Okay, let me get me in the light. Where's the light? Oh, there I am. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. This is what you get in. Where are we exactly?
Briddim at Pema Guest House.
Briddim at
Pema Guest House.
All right. Don't forget, this is the #1 spot. Like, honestly, as far as the view and the cost, accommodation, amazing host. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Safe travels. I gotta go shower. I stink. Okay. Peace. Okay. Okay. Our lemon tea's ready. Hi.
Oh no.